Getting your lawn and garden looking awesome often means calling in irrigation contractors who know their stuff about sprinklers, drip lines, and all that. So, here's the deal with common landscaping features these pros usually install. First up, sprinkler systems are the go-to for covering big areas with water evenly, so your grass stays green without you having to babysit it. Then there's drip irrigation lines, which are super efficient because they drip water right at the roots. Perfect if you want to save water and keep your plants happy. Rain sensors are another smart add-on. They stop your sprinklers from running when it's already raining, so you're not wasting a drop. Valves and controllers are like the brains of the operation, letting you set schedules and control different zones in your yard easily. Backflow preventers might not sound exciting, but they're super important to keep your water supply safe by stopping dirty water from flowing back into your pipes. These features together make your yard look great without needing you to spend hours watering every day. Plus, with the right setup, you can save money on your water bill, which is always a win. One of the biggest mistakes people make when installing irrigation systems is not zoning their yard properly, meaning they don't separate areas with different plant types or sunlight levels, which leads to overwatering some spots and underwatering others. The fix? Make sure your contractor sets up multiple zones so each part of your yard gets just the right amount of water. Another common issue is skipping rain sensors. Without them, your system might run in the rain, wasting water and money. Adding a rain sensor fixes this by automatically pausing watering when it's wet outside. Lastly, people often forget about backflow preventers, which can cause serious contamination problems if not installed right. Always insist your contractor includes one to keep your family's water safe and clean. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who specialize in irrigation and landscaping, making the whole process way less stressful. Contractors also get help finding work there, so it's a win-win for everyone wanting a beautiful yard without the headache.